Hello, come on in. Welcome to cabin 5072 on Norwegian Star. So let's show you around. Let's come on into the main sleeping area now. And what you can see here, well, the first thing is, actually, this is an adjoining cabin. So there's another similar cabin next door. And if you're with your kids or whatever, you can book both cabins and have this door unlocked. So you can have sort of communication between the two. It's just us on this one, and this one is well and truly locked, which is great. Okay, so we've got a lovely double bed configuration, and there is an additional pull down bed on the wall there if you need it. Got a good sized porthole window, and then we've got lights either side and some bedside units as well. Moving round, another really nice thing about this cabin is the number of mirrors we've got in the cabin. We've got a nice full length mirror here, so you can get yourself sorted before you go out in the evening. Got another mirror here on the dressing table, especially if you need to do your hair. Not that I have that problem. We have a hairdryer unit there, and a stool and some drawers there to put your clothes in. Now let's talk about some of the electrical sockets here, and it's really well catered for. We've even got a 3-pin UK socket there at 220 volts. We've got a US socket there, which is fantastic. And if you come across the way over here, you've got an EU socket there, and you've also got 2 USB sockets as well. Fantastic provision there for a cabin on a ship of this age. Telephone if you need to ring to reception. A relatively small screen telly, but big enough for the size of the cabin that we've got. Moving down, we've got a fridge. So really important if you've got medications you need to keep cool, or you just want to use it or enjoy the minibar here. A couple of bottles of water in there. Obviously there's a charge for that. More shelving and more drawers, plenty of them in here. And then we've got the main hanging wardrobe area, and it's a pretty decent size. We've got some more shelving down the side there, a good supply of coat hangers there. There's also some little shelving, pull down shelving there if you need to use it. Again, a pretty good feature there. Okay, moving further down, we've got another little unit here, and inside there is the safe. Okay, really good for putting your passport and other valuables in there. Right, what about the bathroom? Well, before we go in the bathroom, you've got the air conditioning control on the outside there, and in the bathroom itself, if you come on in, the first thing you'll notice, or we noticed anyway, is a good sized walk-in shower. Actually plenty of space in here, can turn all the way around, not bumping into anything, and it's got the screen instead of the curtain as well. There's a little washing line there. We've got a nice vanity basin here, another mirror, which is really good. What we really like is the magnifying mirror there, especially if you're attending to shape facial hair or doing a shave or whatever like that. And there's a shaver plug down here as well. Another really nice feature is the toilet area itself, and it's actually got a privacy door in here to give you some privacy while you're doing your business. So, last thing to mention, we've got some hangers on the back of the bathroom door for your towels and stuff. We've also got some hangers outside of the bathroom here for you to hang coats, jackets, hats, that kind of thing. So this is a pretty decent spec outside cabin in our view, and this is quite an old ship, but refurbished around 2019 from what we understand. But I have to say, having sailed on a few outside cabins, we actually quite like this one. I think it's pretty good standard. So thumbs up Norwegian Star.
Supporting our channel helps us make more content like this, and the easiest way to do that is to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks very much.